So today we're talking about linear graphing linear inequalities, and we got to know a little bit of the language. Greater than or equal to or less than or equal to gets a filled in circle. Greater than or less than gets an open circle. Now let's go to our worksheet. Okay? We're going to graph these guys on a number line. Let's do it. So here's the equation that's been given to you. 7 is greater than x minus 1. Right? What do you do? What do you do? How do you solve something like that? Yeah, Jessica, you are so smart. You are so smart. You do. You add 1 to both sides. Right? We get 8, and we get this. Right? We get this. Now, how would you say that in English? Very nice. Very, very nice. 8 is greater than or equal to x. Eight is greater than or equal to x. Now, let's try and think of some numbers that'll fit into this. Give me a number that'll fit there, that you could sub in for x. Pick a number, any number you want. 11. No, because let me show you something. If I put a 17 over here, it makes no sense. 8 is not greater than or equal to 17. Ooh, I like it. 4 will work. Give me some other ones. 6, 7, even 8 because it's greater than or equal to. Now, negative 9. Now let's take a look at our graphs. Which one of them do you think has all of those numbers in? The shaded area are all the possible answers, all the possible numbers, right? Look, if you were going to go choose C, look, 4 is not in the shaded area. It's not C. Okay? Let's take a look at B. 4, 6, and 7. Nope. You're right. It is D. Does everybody have a calculator? Put your food away. Okay. Here's what we're going to do. Turn on your calculator. Turn on your calculator, okay? Your calculator should look like this. Turn on your calculator, and here's what I want to show you. Your calculators do lots of stuff. Turn your calculator on. Okay? Everybody hit the y equals button. Okay? So if you are given an equation, you can plug it right into the calculator. Okay? Did everybody in here hit the y equals button on your screen? Good. Then you see this right here? Type 7. In your calculator, we need to go grab this symbol right here. Okay? Hit second, math, and you will see the symbols all listed. You need to pick the one that matches exactly to the one in the problem. It's number 4, but you need to match it exactly. Like it needs to be facing the same direction, all of that stuff. And then, so now we need to find the x, right? The x button. The x in your calculator is located right here, below the mode button. Hit x, and then do -1. Oh, the x button? The x is located right here, below the mode button. Yes, you do, because you see, we are looking at graphs. Please, calculator, show us a picture of the answer. You see, that is the picture of the answer that we are looking for. Do you see it? Yeah. Yes, that's exactly what it is. Now, sometimes you'll have to be sure because look, A and D look really, really close, and so you should count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Let's do this one. So we've got 5x is less than 15. Divide both sides by 5. You get x is less than 3. Let's write that out in English. X is less than 3. Can you give me some numbers that we might be able to sub in? Think of some numbers that are less than 3. Yeah, 1, 2. How about 2.9? Is 2.9 less than 3? How about 2.99? How about 2.999? And so this is the reason negatives are all less than 3. But here's the reason why we use an open circle versus a closed circle. The open circle, it means you could get really, 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 really close to 3. You just can't be 3. Like 2.9, 2.9999, 2.999999999999999. You know what I'm saying? Okay, so that's the reason for it. Now, which one of these graphs do you think is the answer? You think it's C? Let's take a look. Let's go and check using our calculator. 5x. Where do we go get all those weird looking symbols? Second math. Less than 15. Hit the graph button. See, it shows you the answer. That's pretty amazing, huh? And that's why I wanted you guys to get your calculators today, because I didn't want you to miss out on that. So here's the deal. We have something like 15 minutes of class left. 15 minutes. I would like for you to finish the sheet. You may use your calculators if you want to, front and back. Okay. If you're not using your calculator, you need to show your work. Now, obviously, it's multiple choice, right? Use your calculator. Get good at seeing the answer. Get good at understanding how to plug it in and use that y equals screen and the x button. Okay? Good luck.